What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can change your server region in Riot Games League of Legends. Now, suppose you have League of Legends and now you want to try different region servers. Well, if you are in the same, if you're still in the same region where you signed up the account, you unfortunately won't be able to change it. However, if you have moved it there, you can actually submit a ticket and they will verify it using your IP address and your location, and then they will change it for you. So, how can you submit a ticket? Here, you just have to simply come to Google, search for Riot Games, and then simply search for that Riot Games submit a ticket. Now, once you search that, you will be able to see this. Just go to the first link. Now, as you can see, this is for the League of Legends. So we will go to the League of Legends, submit a request of the right games. Now, the League of Legends here, you just have to select whatever the issue that you are facing. Here, you can actually select the account management. So here, you just have to click on this account management, and then there you go. It will give you a lot of features. Now here you just have to select your platform, select that, change my region. Now you just have to search for that and then select that I just want to do the account management, and then simply as you can see, need changing username, email, account. Yeah, as you can see, region here pop as well. Here, just do that, click on the check. They will check your like region through the IP, add the description that you have moved, and then add the additional files like flight ticket or anything if you want to make your case stronger. And there you go, they will easily be able to change it for you. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.